This is how I change my name on Facebook into a single name. You can use this method many times. Without further ado, let's begin. Open your TunnelBear app. If you don't have TunnelBear, you can download it on the Play Store. It's safe to use, don't you worry. With 10 million downloads, high ratings, and good reviews, it's a reliable choice. Without further ado, let's continue. First, you need to log in or create an account using any Gmail you have. After that, connect to either Indonesia or Japan. Click this Connect button.
Nice.
Okay.
Open your Facebook app. Don't use the Facebook Lite, it will not work. And click these 3 lines. Click the Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Then choose See More in Account Center. After that, click Profiles. Then after clicking the Profiles, click Facebook. Click Name. Enter your desired name in the first name box. Any one name you choose will be fine. In the last name box, simply remove the surname and just put a space. After you put the space in the surname box, click Review Change. Finally, click Save Changes. Finally, it's done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Stay connected for more valuable content. See you in the next video.